Has this ever happened to you? Huh? How about this next little situation?
Faucet repair. Hi, I'm Ben with Rescue Plumbing, and we're here to rescue your faucet repairs. When a faucet begins to drippity drip drip on its own, it means you need a faucet repair. Yes, sir. What caused the faucet to drippity drip drip in the first place, huh? Do you know? Who can I blame it on? I know. The plumber who installed the faucet last year. It's his fault, right? Unfortunately, no. It's not his fault. The truth is, a piece of dirt, rock, or some kind of small debris got into your water line and made it all the way to your faucet. Then damaged the inner components of that faucet. That's why you need a faucet repair. Take a look at this Simmons shower valve. Take a look at it. Nice valve, huh? The faucet shop was kind enough to give us this valve and display it for you to show you the inner components of a faucet. I love the faucet shop. Thank you, Adam. Simmons right here is one of the best shower valves on the market today because the material is made out of the most brass out of any shower faucet on the market. They tend to need less repairs because of the brass, because the debris can't damage the brass as easily as it were to damage any other plastic piece of material. Look at the inner components. You see it? Even these valves that are the best, made out of all brass, even they can leak. If these O-rings right here, if they're damaged by debris or rust, they'll leak as well. All manufacturers, all of them, make faucets, and they're aware of the possibility of those debris damaging the inner components of a faucet. All faucets are watertight and seamless. Look at these. They turn into this. This is this valve right here. For all the manufacturers make faucets so you can explode them out and work on them for the purpose of a faucet repair. They allow you access to make the faucet repair. Let me show you this schematic for a blow-up illustration for this kitchen faucet. You see it? It is one of the most popular kitchen faucets on the market today. This is a Moen. This is a Moen, and here is the replacement cartridge that sits inside of this faucet. If your kitchen faucet is going drippity drip drip, most likely it's this damaged cartridge that needs replacing. Today, I'm going to show you how to complete a faucet repair on this kitchen faucet by replacing its cartridge. But before I do, let's talk about the cost of the actual cartridge replacement versus a whole kitchen faucet replacement. Now look, if the cartridge is more than half the price of a new faucet, just purchase a new faucet and replace the whole thing. You don't want to change this out and then you got an old faucet, because a bunch of the times it'll get messed up when you're replacing. It's not worth replacing the cartridge if it's more than half the cost of the faucet. The faucet might then go out before the cartridge does because They make stuff so cheap nowadays. It's like they make everything just for a one-time use. When purchasing a new kitchen faucet, if you go that route and just replace the whole thing, I recommend purchasing a cartridge in addition to the faucet itself. It's a great backup plan to have a cartridge for your faucet on hand just in case the cartridge gets messed up after installation. And it happens all the time. It's difficult to find cartridges right away. They don't stock them. So you gotta order them online, plan ahead. There are numerous condo buildings that we service on a daily basis that have old rusting pipes. That rust, we regularly have to change cartridges for them on a daily basis to keep the water flowing because of that rust. We buy them time, those condo buildings, to gather funds to switch to new copper piping that does not rust. Let's get to the faucet repair then. We have spoken about debris damaging the faucet and making it go drippity drip drip, messing up the O-rings and whatnot. When there's a lot of debris in your water lines, the faucets can also get clogged up. No water comes out of them. If your faucet gets clogged up, the first thing you should do is try to clean the aerator. Let me show you how to clean an aerator or a faucet head. All you need is a channel lock. If replacing the aerator doesn't work, then you move on to the faucet cartridge to make the faucet repair. So there you have it. Whether it's a small clog or a damaged cartridge causing your faucet to go drippity drip drip, remember, keeping a replacement cartridge on hand can save your faucet. Regularly checking your aerators for any debris buildup can prevent faucet clogs. If your faucet repair seems too daunting of a task, or you're just not sure where to start, don't worry. Rescue Plumbing is here to rescue you.